Hey everybody, Captain Bob here. The other day, I talked to you a little bit about a video that I went and made at a local nonprofit that was having call it an open house or a bit of a thank you to the community for those who had helped out and sort of showing off their plans for future expansion. The name of that organization was Love Inc. So they're a local nonprofit who helps homeless and folks who are trying to get back on their feet with all kinds of things. And so today, I thought I would share that video with you so you could learn a little bit more about what they do. So you're going to hear from one of the guys who is a employee there who works with them on the marketing side of things, and he's going to tell you a little bit more about what they do. But also, I think it's important to know that Love Inc. is a bigger organization than just locally here to our community. They're actually all over the place, and there might be one in your area as well. So I would just say consider when you're thinking about places that you might want to donate or organizations you might want to support, maybe this is one that you would consider. So at the end of the video, you're going to see their website and a local telephone number for the one that's here to us, but they have a national website as well that you could check out if you're so inclined. So let me show you that video.
My name is Mike DeSantis. I'm the mobilization director. I'm going to be here for 5 hours. You can't eat the whole 5 hours. Okay, I take it back. You can eat the whole 5 hours. I shouldn't eat the full 5 hours, so I'm getting a small sandwich.
So tell us about Love Inc. First of all, what does Love Inc. stand for?
Love Inc. stands for Love in the Name of Christ, INC. Love Inc. is about relationships helping people, not just resources. It's relationships first and then resources. Because it does no good to give people a house and cars and clothing and a job and leave them alone. His life isn't about living alone. It's about teaching people how to keep a job and get a better job, and teaching people how to handle their money, and showing people the value of different parenting skills, and giving them opportunities like their own cars and transitional housing. We are like the foster grandparents of Columbia and God's family. That's everything you see here and everything you don't see here is the future of the Love Seat. Not only the Love Seat retail store, the Love Seat Furniture Bank. For our furniture bank, the only place in town where you can get free furniture. I like to give people something to sit on, something to sit at, and a place to sleep. Some beds, especially twin beds, kitchen tables, some sofas. But not what you want, everything you want, but what you need. But our Love Seat store will be here. We'll be more than tripling in size. And our parking spaces for our current customers who, I won't say fight over our 9 spaces, but who get there early to get the 9 spaces. We're going to have more than 49 spaces. So we're stepping up. We're definitely bursting out at the seams. And Columbia's going to get better for it. Got my words on it.
How can we help?
How can we help? We can all help by praying and by focusing and realizing that people are the most important thing. And secondly, we can come and help. If you want to give your time, we need coaches. If you really want to think, I'd like to help someone in poverty, but I don't know where to begin. 256-7662-201. That's where you call. And we can give you the training you need to get people all sorts of coaching. And if you have more money than time, some of us do, your monthly donations that we're really going to help us help more people every day. So one time you donate a month, we help people every day of the week out of poverty. That would be great. And my name is Mike DeSantis, and you can call me and I'll give you tons of ideas on how you can help us. But it's really, do you want to help? If the answer is yes, call us. It's that easy.
Okay.
I did the Love Seat's very first tax return, and I've been volunteering ever since.
All right.
It is my favorite
I think you can see that they're really doing some great things there. And I think that they are a true asset to our community and potentially in your community as well. So check them out if you are thinking about a place to maybe do some community service or some place to help out or some place to financially give. I think Love Inc.'s a good nonprofit to work with. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's helpful. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.